A cylinder is a solid that has two bases that are circles, which are parallel to each other. The formula for a cylinder's volume is base times height, or more specifically, is pi r squared times height. Here's a diagram of a cylinder. A sphere is a set of all points in space that are the same distance from a point called the center. The radius is the distance from the center to any point on a sphere. The formula for a volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Half of a sphere is called a hemisphere. You've probably heard that term in science when you're talking about weather, or maybe in social studies when you're talking about geography. Let's look at some examples. Let's find the volume of the following cylinder. First, let's identify the base. It's a circle. So let's multiply the base times the height. The base in this case is a circle. So let's replace the base times pi r squared. The radius is 4, so pi times 4 squared times the height, which is 15. 3.14 times 16 times 15, which is approximately 753.6. But we're not done because we forgot the units. 753.6 feet cubed. In our second example, we're finding the volume of the following sphere. We're using the formula for the volume of a sphere, which is 4/3 pi r cubed. Notice we're not looking for the base because spheres don't have a base. The radius is 4, so we're plugging in 4 to our formula. 4 cubed is 64, so 4/3 pi r cubed is 4/3 times 3.14 times 64. When you multiply those together, you get 267.9. So our final answer is 267.9 centimeters cubed. In our last example, we're looking for the volume of a sphere, but this time we're given a diameter and not a radius. Our formula asks for the radius. So we need to take the diameter and chop it in half. So we're going to plug in 8 instead of 16. So 4/3 pi times 8 cubed. 4/3 times pi times 512. So 4/3 times 3.14 times 512, which is approximately 2,143.6. So our final answer is 2,143.6 feet cubed.